Welcome to the amazing real-life stories of aquarium rehab.
At Mystic Aquarium, we have a colony of 31 African penguins. They are warm weather species of penguins ranging from South Africa and Namibia. We opened our colony in 1989, and our oldest penguin in our colony is currently 31 years old.
And these birds undergo routine health assessments at least twice a year. Part of that physical examination, we take a good look at their eyes and do a thorough ophthalmologic examination. As we were doing their eye examinations routinely, we determined that 6 of our older African penguins here at the aquarium had cataracts. After the veterinarians determined that we had some aging birds with cataracts, we contacted our veterinary ophthalmologist, Dr. Ruth Marion, and she specializes in the eyes of animals.
So a cataract is a cloudy lens. The lens is like the little magnifying glass inside your eye. It's right behind the iris. And the normal lens has 2 parts. The outside is called the capsule, it's like a baggie, and then the inside is the contents. A normal lens is like a baggie full of egg white, because egg white's made of protein and it's clear. And a lens with a cataract is like a baggie full of cooked egg white. It's opaque, you can't see through it.
Best option for them to be able to see again would be to take them to cataract surgery.
So standard pre-surgical ophthalmic exam, we want to make sure, again, we want to make sure that the cornea, the clear front part of the eye, is healthy, and we want to make sure that the patient doesn't have glaucoma. So I'll put on a stain, a fluorescein stain, and if there's an open wound in the cornea, also called an ulcer, that will stain. And then we'll be able to say, aha, this is what else is going on with the bird. Maybe we should delay surgery or modify surgery or treatment. The other thing that we'll do is the glaucoma test. It's not the puff of air test that people get. It bounces, it barely touches the cornea. The patient doesn't feel it. And that's to tell whether or not the animal has glaucoma. Cataracts can actually lead to inflammation, and that can lead to glaucoma, which is increased pressure, and it's painful. Our main goal in doing these surgeries is to keep these animals comfortable as they get older so that they don't get inflammation and glaucoma in their eyes. I have a portable operating microscope that I brought down here and assembled, and that helps me because you have to have magnification in order to do the procedure. So the procedure starts with making an incision in the cornea, which is the clear front part of the eye, and then I'll extend the incision right into the lens capsule, the baggie that's on the outside of the lens, and then after that, there's the phacoemulsification needle. So there's a needle that I'll actually put inside the lens. It vibrates the contents and sucks it out. And then at the end, we should have a nice empty clear lens capsule. And then after that, I have to suture up the cornea, the outside of the eye. And that's pretty much it. And then we go to the second eye.
The penguins are doing great post-operatively.
Part of their care was that they had to be kept dry and couldn't go for swims or receive showers. This ensured that we would keep any debris, bacteria, or irritation from their eyes and would properly allow the sutures in their eyes from the cataract surgery to heal.
Dr. Ruth has been back several times to recheck them since surgery, and they are healing just according to plan.
Once the veterinary ophthalmologist, as well as Mystic Aquarium's veterinary team, had determined that the penguins had fully recovered from their cataract surgeries, it was time for them to return to the exhibit for their very first swim. We were interested to see what the penguins would do and if we could notice any visible changes to their eyesight. And once we let them back out on exhibit, they knew exactly where to go. They all hit the water and seemed to really enjoy their first swim back outside.
We ensure that all of our animals here at Mystic Aquarium get top-of-the-line healthcare and preventative medicine, including our African penguins. And as our African penguins continue to stay healthy, even through their older age, they're able to act as a really great ambassador for their endangered species counterparts in the wild.
One of my favorite things about working as part of the team at Mystic Aquarium is working hand in hand with the veterinary team and being able to see that there are no lengths our veterinary team will not go to be able to give the best possible care to all of the animals that you see here on your visit.